Is it time to buy or sell SPY ETF? In this video, we are diving deep into SPY. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 16th of January, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 13th of January, 2025, our system has identified SPY as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.09. Now let's examine the performance of this exchange-traded fund during this time frame. The exchange-traded fund has experienced a gain of 1.76%. This results in an average return of 0.44% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently situated within a weak upward trend in the short term, indicating that a further rise within this trend is likely. The existing 3-month trend indicates a potential change of around 2% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from approximately 0.218% to 5.69%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of about 23% over the coming year, with a potential return between 18.41% and 28.87%. This translates to a price range of approximately $700.57 to $762.46 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for the SPY ETF includes the headline, SPY ETF upgraded from hold accumulate to buy candidate after Thursday trading session. The SPY ETF price decreased by approximately 0.18% on the last trading day, Thursday, January 16, 2025, dropping from $592.72 to $591.64. During that trading day, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 0.577%, ranging from a low at $590.94 to a high of $594.35. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 0.95% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, the trading volume declined on the last day alongside the ETF price, which is a positive indicator as volume typically follows the ETF. On the last day, trading volume decreased by 17 million shares, with a total of 32 million shares bought and sold for approximately $19,120 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $609.06, while the lowest price was $472.43. Currently, the price is 2.86% or $17.42 below the 52-week high of $609.06, which also represents the all-time high for the ETF. The S&P 500 has recently experienced fluctuations, with a notable drop below the critical level of 5,850, sparking concerns over potential downside targets, possibly aiming for 5,600. Short-term investor sentiment is mixed as retail sales fell short of forecasts, although strong bank earnings initially provided some support. Amidst these developments, speculation surrounding Donald Trump's upcoming presidency has generated optimism, with many expecting a positive impact on the S&P 500 in 2025, driven by anticipated policy changes. Investors are also considering high-yield dividend solutions to enhance their portfolios, reflecting a search for income amid volatility. Additionally, soft core inflation figures are leading to expectations of further gains for the index, with futures suggesting an upward trajectory. While immediate reactions may cause uncertainty in stock prices due to mixed economic signals, the long-term outlook might be influenced by Trump's executive orders and overall investor enthusiasm. Should the index respond favorably to these factors, we could see sustained momentum in the S&P 500, particularly if it can reclaim and stabilize above the 5,850 mark. Maintaining a buy-on-the-dip strategy may be essential for investors navigating this environment. The following signals have been identified for SPY. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 10th of January, 2025, and so far it has risen about 1.92%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence the near short-term development. The SPY ETF currently indicates a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average presents a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this results in an overall sell signal for the ETF, leading to a more negative forecast. With further gains, the ETF will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $596.35. Conversely, if the ETF declines, it will find some support from the short-term average at $586.66. A breakout above the long-term average will trigger another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will add another sell signal and reinforce the overall negative indication. Additionally, there is a current sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 5 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 18 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 14 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 17 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 6 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for SPY. SPY is finding support from accumulated volume at 590.83. This level could present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. Generally, this exchange-traded fund tends to exhibit controlled movements, and with its good liquidity, the associated risk is considered very low. Over the past day, the ETF moved 3.41 between its high and low, which is 0.577%. In the last week, it has experienced an average daily volatility of 0.98%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SPY. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SPY is at $592.72. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the ETF, this could be an opportune level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SPY encounters its first support level at $590.83. If this support level holds, it could present a valuable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $558.83, reflecting a decrease of 5.55%. This exchange-traded fund displays very low daily fluctuations, which translates to minimal risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal indicated by a pivot bottom that was identified 4 days ago. Is the SPY ETF a good investment option? Several short-term indicators, combined with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a fair likelihood that the SPY ETF will perform well in the short term. Based on our updated analysis, we have revised our recommendation for this ETF from a hold or accumulate to a buy candidate. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 17th of January, we anticipate that this SPY will open up by approximately 67 cents and begin trading at $592.31. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. Do not base your investment decisions solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day from all of us here at StockInvest.